G'day and welcome to my garage. G'day and welcome to my garage. Got the old lawnmower up on the bench. Two small jobs to do on it. A few weeks ago the throttle cable broke here in the ferrule. It jumped out. So I ordered a new cable. It's been in for about a week or so, maybe a bit longer. But now now it's broken at the top here also. So anyhow, I've got a new cable. It's a generic replacement cable. Just got a straight end on it, cut it to length, put the Z bend in it for the carburetor end, and mount it up there. Simple job. Now the other job is to replace the front axle bushings. I haven't done that before. Looks to be a simple job, but you never know. So let's get into the cable first. Might tighten that up. Let's get into the throttle cable first and then have a look at these front axle bushes. This lawnmower is about 17 years old. I haven't done much to it in that time. I've recently replaced the carburetor. Prior to that, some time back, I've got a video series on making casting an aluminium manifold. That's working great. And I think I put one spark plug in it in the 17 years. So can't complain about the old Briggs and Stratton. Rough as guts, but just keeps on going. Okay, that's the controller off. There's nothing broken in. Yep, it's turned on. There's nothing broken in here. The end just popped out, looks like it. Anyhow, I think this is less than 20 bucks for the new control cable. So we'll put a couple of bends in it and that'll be it. Cut it to length, I suppose. Now this new cable has to be cut to length, and to do that the inner cable itself has to be pulled out, or most of a good way. And to do that you need to pull this new piece apart gently. I'm always wary of these things because they're plastic. Let's get it. Came through the other end, so using the pliers didn't crush the wire. Alright, I worked with this a little bit to try and work out how this thing went back together. Cable comes in from underneath. Temporarily mount this on the handlebar. It didn't work out. It's too long. With the sun around here and the glare coming off it, I'm in the wrong hole. That's why it's not the right length. Now with the piece of the offcut, I'll just test to see how brittle this wire is. Well, that didn't break, so that's promising. Long nose pliers don't like this. Might have to just heat this up to do the bends, I think. I tried this actually on the old wire that came out and it snapped. So we'll go over to the bench. Or no, I'll bring the blowtorch out here, it's not too windy. And we'll try that. So practice on the new piece you just cut off. Okay, so just practice on your piece you cut off and go for it. It was working cold on the first bend, but on the second bend these pliers, the jaws would twist. It was too strong for the jaws, so that's why I heated this one up. So we'll do it for real. Yeah, that worked out great. That worked out great on me using the plate. I went to put the new screw in because it's got a nylock nut where the other one didn't. But the original is roughly 5mm and the new one's 6mm. So I just drilled these holes out. Where's the block? I had the block earlier. Stupid mounting block. Oh, this is unbelievable. I've got to go looking for that mounting block now. Well, I didn't spend too much more time to find it because right underneath my nose. Okay, that should be it. Got to come back far enough to hit the kill switch. Alright, I'll clean the air filter and put that back on. Then we can start it up, make sure this does control properly. It does switch off, that's what I'm after mainly. It does what it's supposed to do. Right, we'll look at the replacing these bushings. I probably don't have to take the wheels off, but I think I've got a lot of wear in the pin that's on this arm and the hole that's through the axle. So we'll just pop this hubcap off.